Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Jennifer. I love to share fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today's video we are going to be talking about the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filters. That is a mouthful. I did pick this up at Target yesterday, so I'm excited to try this. And then I got some new lashes that I want to try also from Blinkify. So I have tried their, think of what it was called, the Queen Style, which were too big. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know that they were too long on me. So I did go ahead and get their Classic Style, which are shorter ones. So we'll try those together also. If you like this type of content, love it if you would like and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, this is the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It is supposed to be a dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I did go ahead and get on their e.l.f. website and try to color match myself a little bit because sometimes I have a tan, sometimes I don't. So what they told me when I uploaded my picture was that I am in the number 3, the light medium. So this is not supposed to be a foundation. However, today we're going to use it as a foundation. I want to see how it wears, and this is supposed to be like the base or the primer to your foundation. You can wear it alone or as a highlighter, and it's supposed to minimize your pores. It does not say that it's supposed to be long wearing, so that is one thing. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, which will moisturize your skin. I have very dry skin, especially during the winter time. Let's go ahead and get into this little try on. Also, I did bring up this brush, my Artiste. I don't know what number this is. Oh, Oval 7 it said. It is clean, so I wanted to give this a fair chance also. I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury anymore. I have tried it. Open this up, and I believe it has a Dolpha applicator, which is nice. I'm just gonna put two pumps, and it's supposed to give you really good radiance. The color match is pretty good for me right now. I don't have any self tanner on. I finally have faded from Mexico, and then I have like a up here, I burnt my forehead today with a curling iron. It's time to go back to self tanning. So I would probably have to get the medium. I think the one above this for my self tan. Now I like this. Let me put the mirror down. I don't know if you can tell, but it is super glowy. I'm trying to get up for close. You can see like it did cover some. It doesn't cover everything, but it does not state that it is like a full coverage foundation. This is just like a primer with just a little bit of coverage. But honestly, on a day-to-day, I don't mind this at all. It doesn't say that you can build it up, but I'm gonna try to put it on my cheeks to see if it builds. And so I have scarring that you see right here. And yeah, I feel like it, on this side at least, it looks like it covered just a little bit more. I should have brought up the sponge, but I didn't. I feel like it would soak up too much product. See how glowy that is right now? I like that. We're not going to use concealer today. All I'm going to do on top of this is put my bronzer on, and then we will set it and see how long it lasts. To keep up with the e.l.f. theme, I did bring up the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and then the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Woo! I don't know what color this is. Turks and Caicos is what the color is on this one, and this one is Golden Days. If you guys do not have this brush, I say this every time I do a makeup tutorial, you need it. It is from the e.l.f. It's the buffer brush. I'll link everything below that I'm using today. It's a good, like, you can use this for a lot of different stuff. You can use it for bronzer. You can use it for foundation, cream. Woo-wees! I put a little bit too much there. I forgot how pigmented that is. I'm gonna have to blend that out. You could use it for foundation, for powder foundation, pretty much anything. And see how well that blended out? I love this bronzer. And then especially for the winter time, this bronzer stays on really good on me because I do want to say it is like a little bit more of a drier bronzer. Like I have that Rare Beauty stick bronzer that I absolutely love, but it does seem to fade on me a little bit. It fades on me if I don't use a powder bronzer on top, which I mean, honestly, I don't mind doing that because I do love that Rare Beauty one, but I feel like this one does not do that because it is a drier formula. And then I'm just going to take the Turks and Caicos and I'm going to use the same brush and I'm just going to swirl it in the Turks and Caicos and we're just going to pat, pat, pat. This is going to be a quick little tutorial because how long this wears. So there's that. That looks really good. Brush. I can't remember. Oh, this came in my Naked palette like years and years ago. This is Naked on the Run, and I'm going to take this color, this ashy color. We're just gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I'm not gonna set them. I didn't bring anything up to set them. I feel like I have pretty good brows, so I don't have to do a whole bunch. I do want to try, e.l.f. has like an e.l.f. freeze for your eyebrows. I do want to try that. No eyeshadow because I want to put these lashes on. Let's set my face with the e.l.f. powder foundation. I am in light. I'm going to use the same brush, and we're just going to set like where I tend to lose, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do anything else, just on my cheeks. That's where I tend to lose like my bronzer and my blush. I feel like I need a little bit more. I have tweezers. This came with my Kiss mascara. I still use this. I still have not bought anything different. The lashes that I'm gonna use is the classic from Blinkify. Order their glue that is the adhesive that you do like for the mascara, like a mascara one, instead of doing like for like strip lashes. So we're gonna try this today. I think did I buy the right? I did not buy the right one. No. Okay. Right? Nope. I did buy the right one. I had them mixed up. It's the No Fly Ultra Stick Adhesive Latex Free with Brush is what it says. Like, these lashes are very affordable. I am on their subscription plan, so you get like 5% off or something like that. So here is the brush. It's very, can you see it? It's very thin. It's the Colorless from Amazon. It's very, no, it's not similar. The Colorless is more like flat. This one is not. Take this mascara wand and I'm just gonna brush through my lashes and let it sit. Make sure you get every little lash. Start from the outside in. I'm just gonna pull this one off, and if there's any glue on, glue off. Sometimes there's adhesive. I am gonna start from the outside and we're gonna go in. So make sure your tweezers are clean. That's one thing I do have to say. Okay, so there's one. I do like the length. I'm gonna take the next one, which is just a little bit longer. I am trying these Kiss nails, so I'm kind of like trying to get used to them today. I actually just put them on. Let me show you. Do you like them? I want them a little bit shorter than what I have on now. So I might have to, I did get the short style. I just might have to get the real or the petite style. Okay. So there's two. I'm gonna put one longer one right here and then a shorter one. When you do these, make sure you're getting them on your eyelash and not like the under lid of it, because you will definitely feel them if you do that. That hurts. I have done that before and it's not comfortable. These, I don't even feel them on. Last one is overlapped just a little bit. And then I'm going to take tweezers or your finger and you can squeeze them together. This is a better length for me. These remind me of my volume like a lash extension. This is a better length. I could probably even go like even shorter. So maybe next month I will get like the shorter length. The longest length is 14 on these, I believe. I'll have to look it up and I'll put it in the remarks below. This Glow and Seal, I love this stuff. Takes the stickiness away. Love how this point, so you can get in there. So like you could do that. I do it on this side too, because I find sometimes the glue will transfer and then you wake up and your lash is like stuck to your lid. And that is one eye. I love that. I feel like I can even go like even more natural. Like it looks they look very volumized. And then these ones you can reuse. I honestly don't ever reuse my lashes. 3 sets, I think. I don't want to tell you, they were either $9 or $15. I can't remember. Or 20. I'll have to put that down also below. This is supposed to last you like 15 days. I have mine set to send every 20 days because I've heard that you can get like 7 to 9 days out of one set, which I feel like is true because now that my lashes are on there, I know that I tried that it was like the strip lash glue. I have it right here. Also, this stuff, once it's on, it don't budge. Like you have to be really careful taking them off. So some of the reviews say that people wear them for like 14 days. Now I don't know about this glue or this glue, so we'll see. But here's one lash. I'm gonna do the other lash off camera. I will be right back and we'll finish up my look. Okay, so I just filmed like a little Instagram reel. So then I finished my other eyelash so you can see what they look like on. Love them. I'm obsessed. I love this so much. And I'm just going to take this NYX Butter Gloss. I don't even know what color it is. Madeleine, maybe? It says Madeleine. Yeah, Madeleine. And we're just going to put quick lip gloss. I'm just going to be around the house today, so I'm not going to do a whole bunch. This is the final look. I love this flawless filter. I love it. It is so glowy. My pores are like so Why do I always have trouble? Invisible. I hope that you like this type of video. It is a little different than my normal fashion videos. If you guys want a tutorial on this, I'm still experimenting and I want to get different glue to see if I can get them to stay a little bit longer. But I would be more than willing to do a tutorial on nails. I love doing this for you today. So know what you think of the lashes and what you think of the skin. And I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye guys. Mwah.